This is the extra large folding wagon, and I don't even feel like the camera does it justice, but these chairs I have in here, I have two, so you can see how big it is. They're oversized chairs, and two of them fit in there perfectly, with obviously still so much space. This thing is huge and it's so nice. It's easy to pull. You have your handle here on the front, also with the brakes on the front, which is nice because some wagons, they have them on the back, which doesn't really make much sense. It's got two storage pockets here and really nice wheels with good tread on them. To fold this, even with how big it is, it's super easy. You just take this pad out and pull up the handle. Kind of hard to do with one hand with how big it is, but it folds into a nice like rectangle, and it comes with a carrying case as well. So it gets really compact, even with the size it is. Then to open it back up, just push it back down. Really cool wagon, really sturdy, highly recommend it.